What's going on, guys? So we are going to clean the inside of this air conditioner. We've got the electrical emergency shut off disconnected. Then we're basically going to take the top of this unit off and clean it out. And of course, I'm using a crescent wrench because I did not think to bring my other tools. I didn't realize that I didn't have everything with me, but that's okay. You live and you learn. I'll just put these in our pocket. Okay, you can see all that crap down in there, and so I'm gonna have to find me a hose. Oh, if you don't, oh Jesus, if you don't mind all the spider webs, you can just reach down in there, grab whatever, pull it out. I might try to see if I got me some gloves somewhere. Oh, or you just get you a stick like so. Just get rid of all that cobwebs. The spiders are probably still going to be down there, but get down there. Oh, clean all that out of there. Then we'll hook up a hose and kind of spray it down. That's pretty good for starters. Oh, bunch of ants down there. I probably wouldn't recommend doing this with. Don't do this without gloves.